Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Johan. I'm a South African motorcycle track day rider and aspiring racer. What started out as simply wanting to ride a motorbike around a racetrack to be able to feel free and feel the performance of the machine and overcoming your own limits and stuff, that slowly turned from just a passion into an obsession. I owe thanks for the name of this channel to my parents, who gave me a nickname all the way since I've been a little boy, Windgat. And that's the name that I'll be using in this channel moving forward. So it's currently lunchtime here at Red Star. We've got a bit of scooter action going on in between the stations. And yeah, I thought, where better to shoot the first episode of Windgat Racing than here, where a lifelong dream is about to kick off tomorrow. So in less than 24 hours from now, I'll be lining up for my very first race right here at Red Star Raceway. And to be honest, this is something that I've dreamed of my entire life, to be able to compete in a race. The dream originally has been car racing, although cars are a bit expensive, so the alternative was motorcycles, either motorcycles or shopping trolleys, but I haven't found a organization that arranges that. So yeah, motorcycles it is, a bit cheaper, although they are not cheap. I've been riding on the track now since 2022, end of 2022, and there's been many ups and downs, crashes, engine failures. It's been a long time since I've ridden, wondering, will I be fast enough? Will I be, too slow? Am I going to finish last? Just got now, bike sorted out and all for this race. So there's a bunch of challenges and stuff. I've been this close before. I've been 2 days out from a race, my very first would-be race, and things completely fell apart. I came unbelievably close to walking away from this dream. But that's a story for another day, I guess. It is what it is. This is something that I've dreamed of for my entire flipping life. So I think the excitement to be able to line up for a race, to say I am racing tomorrow, I think that kind of outweighs the doubt and stuff in my mind right now. And to be honest, that's why I wanted to do this channel. The idea of Windgat Racing is to document my journey, yes, but to be able to share this passion. Number one, the passion for racing. I'm a racing fan by heart, any kind of racing, motorcycles, cars, anything. I love racing first of all, and I also love riding motorcycles, and I'd love to share that passion with people. If I can help one person come to their first track day, or one more person get into racing, then I feel I'm succeeding in the goal of this channel. I've never really particularly wanted to be a YouTuber or make videos or any of that kind of thing. I think by my camera skills you can probably tell that, but I really want to share the passion of racing and get more people to come to the track. I think a lot of people on track day specifically have a misconception about what it is all about. I think people think that whenever you do come to the track with your road bike, or maybe you do consider buying a track bike, you think that when you come to a track day it's going to be full-on racing. And that's, a big misconception. People think they're going to be slow at the track. They think that they are going to embarrass themselves. They think that, everyone's going to be putting a dive bomb into turn one on them. I've been that boy who's dreaming about racing, who listens to stories from races, because that was the only way I could race, was through other people's stories. And if I can share that with someone who cannot come here themselves, that would be a major win for me. And then of course to share the joy of racing and get more people to come here. Maybe you've wondered about booking your first track day, but you thought you have no clue how to do it, you have no clue what to expect. And the goal is to clear those kind of things up and make it easier for people to come to the track and make it easier for them to understand. And yeah, I'd love to see track days, more fully booked. Unfortunately, the world is moving in a direction that's away from racing as we know it and tracks as we know it. The dream is really to promote the track, and yeah, if I can, you know, play a part in that, that's my goal succeeded. I'm genuinely excited to be able to say 24 hours from now I would have completed my very first race. So yeah, if learning about track days, motorcycles, racing, you know, is something that interests you, been considering coming to your first track day but haven't done so for whatever reason, then, you know, come with me on this journey. Like I say, tomorrow will be my very first race. I've got no idea where this goes. I don't know, do I end up on a club racing level? Do I end up on a national level? Does my engine blow up and I'm done before the end of this year? I don't know where this is going. So if, you know, that sounds like something that you want to learn more about, let's find out together where this thing goes. If you would like to follow my story, give the video a like, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, tag along for this ride. Let's find out where this will go together.